Alrighty, learners. So here we are at ChatGPT, which we'll be using throughout the program. And you want to, if you've got it, very good. If not, this is going to quickly walk you through how to do it. So first thing you want to do is go over to the sign up. I always recommend to just use an email address. So if you choose to, that is absolutely okay to connect with any of those. But I'm going to, let's see, go in with She Learns AI. I'm going to continue. I will probably pause this and put in my password. All right, now that I'm in there, okay, so it wants to verify. I will be right back. All right, so I went in and I verified my email. So this is gonna pop up here and I'll go through these steps and I will say let's put it here, just LW, and y'all don't need to know my birthday, so I'll be back again. That's kind of interesting. Those steps are new because they didn't have that before. But, ChatGPT, and this is by OpenAI, you've heard it, all the rage. And so this kind of just walks you through some things. And we're going to just bypass. So that's it. I mean, in less than almost 60 seconds, besides my banter, you're already in there. And now this will give you the free version. If you choose to go ahead and before we really dive into it, feel free and upgrade if you choose to. And that would be GPT-4, and that's roughly $20 a month. But yeah, you're ready to go. And now if you want to, you can go ahead and play, try out some of these prompts. But this is the most fundamental thing that I need you to do, is to make sure that you've got ChatGPT together. If you're using anything else, that's fine. But do know there's on this challenge, just overall, the prompting will be around ChatGPT. All right. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. All right, learners. So go ahead and crush it. Go ahead and if you want. All right, learners. So you can really go ahead and do your first prompt now that you've got it downloaded. And that would be just even clicking here. I will definitely count that because of this challenge. You've downloaded ChatGPT and you will do a prompt. But we will be sending out the exercises I look forward to tomorrow when we actually knock out our very first prompt. All right, learners, if you choose to, feel free, explore around just any time and this is something that I'll do. So on Wednesdays. All right, learners. So there you are. So if you choose to, feel free to play around, explore a little bit. I am going to go into this during office hours, or you can wait for office hours and we'll walk through it together. So go ahead and explore and bring your questions to office hours. Okay. I will see you soon.